way, he'll be here in 5 minutes.
Any moment he will be here.
Yeah.
Sir. Please, please. Larissa, have seat.
No, you sit here. I'll sit here.
And
Thanks.
And others will sit there.
Okay. Sir, sir.
Silver mic.
Sir.
Yogi, sir, we want this Swadik.
I'm very sorry because there was so much, traffic. And I request them कि यार 3-4 बजे बंद कर लेना तो बोले कि नहीं ऐसा ऐसा है.
So, should we wait for Aditya to unmute?
Just
No, what's the point of coming?
We'll
We'll
start with the, maybe we can unveil after he comes. We can start with the questions.
Okay, we'll unveil the cover after he comes.
Okay, so we are unveiling the cover.
he will
after
be
Mr.
here
Aditya
within a
Narayan now.
5 minutes.
Yeah, in the meanwhile we can start.
Meanwhile, first let me announce that Mr. Udit and Aditya Narayan is not only on our cover, they'll also be a part of Stardust concert happening in London in October. And will be hosted by the very popular Palm Beach Casino in London. If any of you are going there, please
Please go and gamble there and lose some money.
a very popular casino. Before Mr. Aditya Narayan comes and we unveil the issue, I have a few questions. First, let's talk about the concert, Mr. Narayan. How does it feel to be a part of Stardust concert in
And after
London?
how long are you going to last?
Okay.
Yes. So I have to.
Yes.
Namaskar to everyone, and sorry for delay because of there was so much traffic. So I'm very sorry. Aditya he is on the way only. Any moments he will be here. So first of all, I'm really very happy that Stardust, such a top magazine, and Narahira Sahab and Yogi Sahab is here, and they are going to do our show. So feeling very happy, and going to London after 10 years. Last 2005, we have done some shows with Aditya only. It was in Albert Hall.
That's right.
So after 10 years, I am going to London. So hope everything will be all right. Of course, Narahira Sahab and Stardust is there, so बहुत अच्छा होगा show.
Tell us something about what happened. I mean, 10 years before when you had gone there. What was your experience like? How was it? And what are your expectations now that you're going?
2005, myself and Aditya was also there, and that time he got name, जो जी में आए थे, तो as an anchor he got name fame. So you can't believe कि Albert Hall was jam packed, and there was no seat at all. So हमें इतनी खुशी हुई कि मैं बोला कि यार कमाल हो गया कुछ. एंड हमारे इंडियन एम्बेसडर साहब आए थे वहाँ, एंड वो भी शो देखे और बहुत अच्छा शो हुआ. वहाँ पे भी आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे, थोड़े लेट हो गया था वहाँ, लेकिन जब शो स्टार्ट हुई तो कम आउट सो वेल एंड पीपल इतने खुश हुए थे यू कांट बिलीव, मतलब मज़ा आ गया. सब भूल गए कि मतलब लेट हो गया, वो आधे घंटे लेट हो गया था शो. सो लंदन इज ए ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस, एंड ऑल देयर आर इंडियंस तो भरे हुए हैं. एक तो जगह भी है साउथ हॉल, जहाँ की हमारे पंजाब भरे हुए हैं वहाँ. एंड वी ऑलवेज फेल के लंदन में जाने से ऐसा लगता है कि वी आर इन India only, because the music lovers are there, and they love Indian music, they love film industry, Indian Bollywood, so we feel great.
Coming to you, simpler question. Don't worry.
Sir.
Tell us, how does it feel to be a part of a concert like this?
Well, first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Hira and my director, Richard Poyner. He couldn't be here today. Without them, this wouldn't be possible. We did last year Kumar Sanu, and it was actually very, very popular. It was, as you said, it was totally packed. It was absolutely superb. This one, again, I'm hoping, and I'm sure it will be, that I'll be hitting the old generation, the young with Udit as well. So both father and son are there. It's going to be very popular. It's already, we started advertising over there, and it seems that it'll be it'll be fabulous. I'm hoping that again it's going to be totally full.
When you came to know that it was this talented pair, Udit and Aditya Narayan, what was your first reaction?
Wow. Amazing. Something that
You were mentioning how you'd seen him 10 years back there? Or?
No, it was Kumar Sanu who did it, and I always wanted to have this.
With Kumar Sanu, I think Alka Yagnik was also there.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
She was
yeah.
there, and it was very popular.
Good.
And this time as well, as I say, these two are coming, and our customers over there, the Asian community, it's really popular. It's into Bollywood, it's into music. They know these two very well.
Let me add that there are people flying down from New York to London to attend the show.
Oh, wow,
Yeah.
great.
Friends.
Arey wow, it's a great thing.
Do you know Bunty Walia?
Bunty Walia ji.
His brother, Jesse, he's flying down from New York to London to attend the show.
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
it's a great thing.
So
Means,
already-
means they all love Indian music and they all love us.
You.
Not us. You and your son.
No, no, and
yeah.
everyone
They're not
loves
coming
you
from-
since
they're
many
coming
years.
to
My
see
God,
you.
Nari Hira ji is, my God, very, very popular since more than 50, 60 years, I think. Eh?
How old are you,
my
Mr.
age.
He's very young. I'm also young. जी जी. So this time, मतलब मजा आएगा, you know, because myself and Aditya is going. So people, they all thinking के father and son, they are going to sing, oh, I love you, daddy. तू मासूम, तू शैतान, but you love me, daddy.
Wow.
Then पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. ओ राधा तेरी चुनरी, ओ राधा तेरा छल्ला, ओ राधा तेरी नटखट नजरिया. This is new song, huh?
Yeah.
So,
We just sang it today.
yes, yes.
So,
Yeah.
Please have seat, sir. So you are absolutely right. कि God is there and our hard work is there.
Of course. Yeah.
So everything will be super duper.
Yeah. We're doing loads of marketing,
Yeah.
both for both
Because
of you.
for marketing you are there, he is there, Stardust is there, all the teams
The
are
team's
there.
there,
So.
and it's going to
All
be
the
a rock.
magazines are there.
Yeah,
Magazines, yes.
Uditji, when first time when you,
And you are there. Yes.
Uditji, the first time when you saw your son singing on stage in front of you, what did you feel?
It is very difficult to express, you know. But of course, being a father, I feel really proud that I have only one son. एक ही लड़का है. And since his childhood only, he is doing good by the grace of God and all your blessings. So he is a talented guy. He can act, he can sing, he can anchor the show, and he has done also, and people, you all like him so much. So blessings are there, of course. So really I feel proud, but you know, what I felt good about him, you know, कि when he was 5-6 years old boy only, na, that time only he started singing. And first time he sang with me that Akele Hum Akele Tum, produced by Venus, and lyrics writer, veteran lyrics writer Mazroo Saab, and music by Anu Malik, Akele Hum Akele Tum. So
The song that you just sang, no?
Yeah.
That same song.
अकेले हम अकेले तुम, जो हम तुम संग हैं तो फिर क्या गम, तू मेरा दिल तू मेरी जान. Then he sang, oh I love you daddy, तू मासूम तू शैतान, but you love.
Yeah, that you
Again.
sang, yeah.
So that time I was thinking ke it is very difficult. Ki Aditya was a 5-6 year old boy, but he managed like anything, you know.
Yeah.
So that day, that time I realized ke maybe in future he is going to do something. Then he got छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आँख दिखाना रे, टुपी टुपी टप टप, and it is a very popular music by Anand Raj Anand, film called Masoom, and Time was presents the film. Then he sang. Then he sang for Rangila, Rahman Saab, with Asha ji. हो जा रंगीला रे चॉकलेट खाने में टेंशन है, दूध पीने में, and he was 7-8 years only boy, old boy that time. So I realized कि no, he is a talented boy, and maybe in future he is going to do better and better. Then he acted 2 movies, Pardesh with Shah Rukh Khan Sahab, and produced by Subhash Ghai Sahab, showman director. And second film he has done with again Salman Khan Sahab. Film was जब प्यार किससे होता है, टिप्स फिल्म, and एक्टिंग भी अच्छा किया उसने. तो then I realized कि नहीं, maybe in future he will do something. So he has to go long way, of course. मैं ही नहीं कुछ कर पाया हूँ अभी, तो मुझे बहुत दूर जाना ही हो. I have to go far and far. So music is a creative job, and जितना भी हम उसमें जाएं, जितना भी करें, कम है. तो since almost 3 decades I have been entertaining you all, and pray for me कि बस करता रहूँ, entertain करता रहूँ, और आप लोगों को खुश करता रहूँ अपनी आवाज़ से, अपने कला से, अपनी संगीत से. और सैल्यूट करता हूँ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आप सब लोगों को कि जिन्होंने, आप लोगों ने सराहा, मेरी आवाज़ को इतना प्यार दिया, और फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ने मुझे इतने बड़े बड़े फिल्म में सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स, राइटर्स, टेक्नीशियंस, आई वांट टू थैंक film industry. Because of film industry, whatever I am today. Hard work and honesty is there, of course there, but after so much struggle, at least thanks to God and all your blessings के मैं यहाँ तक हूँ, और आगे भी रहूँगा, यानी कि क़यामत से क़यामत तक. जी, नारिकेला साहब, say something.
Now questions.
Yeah,
from
I'll
the
throw the
reporters.
floor open for any questions from the.
Yeah,
please.
go ahead.
वो कौन सी एडवाइस है जो आप आदित्य को देते रहते हैं, लाइक हमेशा, लाइक बेबी सिंगिंग को लेकर हो या लाइफ लेसन्स को लेकर हो, उसके बारे में?
हिंदी में जवाब दीजिए.
मैं आपको बताऊँ, अच्छा क्या इंग्लिश भी कम आती है मुझे,
नहीं, she asked you.
लेकिन काम चला लेता हूँ. ये बहुत अच्छी बात कही आपने कि हर पेरेंट्स का एक ड्रीम होता है कि मेरा बच्चा नाम करे, अच्छा काम करे, पढ़े लिखे, जो कि मेरे गाने में भी है कि कोई इंजीनियर का काम करेगा, डॉक्टर में कोई अपना बिजनेस में अपना कोई नाम करेगा, ये भी एक कोइंसिडेंट ही है कि मेरे साथ ही आया, बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैं आदित्य को हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि तुम स्टडी तो ज़रूरी है, लेकिन मेहनत करो और ईमानदारी रखो और टाइम का पंक्चुअल बनो। जी कि आज टाइम में वो आ नहीं पाया, तो मैं मैं बोलता हूँ, देखो कि हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एक से एक लोग हैं। आज हमारे महानायक सुपरस्टार अमिताभ जी हैं, उनको अगर सुबह 5 बजे आप बोले तो 4:50 पे वो कोई आए ना आए, लेकिन वो ज़रूर आपको मिलेंगे। तो आप देखिए, ऐसे थोड़े इतना महान आदमी बनता है, किसी को बिठा के उसको तकलीफ़ दे के। मतलब मैं अपनी भी बात कर रहा हूँ, तो आप लोग इसलिए माफ़ कर दिए कि सोचे कि चलो ये 30-40 साल से 3 डिकेड से है, तो चलो इसको माफ़ कर देते हैं। लेकिन बच्चे को तो अभी बहुत पंक्चुअल होना चाहिए, हो जाएगा। तो मैं यही सब बोलता रहता हूँ कि बी ऑनेस्ट, डू हार्ड वर्क, एंड योर फादर्स बैकग्राउंड वाज लाइक के फार्मिंग बैकग्राउंड। आई एम ए सन ऑफ फार्मर। तो मैं एक स्क्रैच से यहाँ आया हूँ, तो मुझे बोलने में कोई भी दुख नहीं होता है। लोग तो कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि छुपा लेते हैं, बोलते नहीं जो पास्ट था। लेकिन हम पास्ट याद करेंगे तो ही हमारा फ्यूचर अच्छा रहेगा, ये मैं समझता हूँ। और मुझे लगता है कि जितने भी हमारे दुनिया में जितने भी बड़े लोग हैं, आज हमारे राष्ट्रपति जी एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम जी नहीं रहे, लेकिन मैंने उनकी हिस्ट्री पढ़ी तो मैं सोच में पड़ गया कि वो क्या राष्ट्रपति हमारे देश के थे, कि मछुआरे फैमिली में रहे और अखबार पेपर बेच के उन्होंने पढ़ा। उनकी सिस्टर थी तो उन्होंने अपने गहने बेच के उनको पढ़ाया। मेरी भी, मैं तो छोटा आदमी हूँ, लेकिन मेरी भी एक सिस्टर थी, वो कैंसर से गुजर गई। तो वो मेरे पास इतने पैसे नहीं होते थे, तो मेरी बहन ने, मिश्रा फैमिली की शादी हुआ था बिहार में, तो बोले कि देखो तुम्हारे पास कुछ नहीं तो तुम मेरे पास आ जाओ। तो उन्होंने ही मुझे मिडिल पास करवाया था। ये भी बात तो मुझे, जब मैं रेडियो में सुन रहा था उनकी कहानी, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था। ऐसा ही होता है कि देखिए, इस दुनिया में कोई भी रहने के लिए तो नहीं आया है। इस दुनिया में लाखों करोड़ लोग हैं, लेकिन भगवान ने सबके लिए उसका हर चीज़ समझ के रखा है कि ये आदमी कैसा है, इसका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, इसके मदर फादर ने क्या किए थे, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं गुड डीड एंड बैड डीड। तो अच्छा कर्म करना। आपके क्वेश्चन कुछ थे, मैं कहीं और ही चला गया। तो आदित्य के लिए तो मैं बोल दिया हूँ। बस अच्छा काम करना है। किसी को, मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि किसी को परेशानी नहीं होनी चाहिए मेरे वजह से, किसी भी वजह से। और अच्छा काम करिए और लोगों को खुश रखिए और अपनी आवाज़ से आप आगे बढ़ते जाइए और लोगों की ब्लेसिंग्स लेते जाइए। ये बहुत ज़रूरी है जी। There are many singers who जो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, like अरिजीत सिंह, मीका सिंह, because their songs are very very popular, and there are other singers, female also, चिटिया कलैया band, कनिका सिंह, female singer, कनिका कपूर, they all doing fantastic job, and एक वो भी गाने बड़े पॉपुलर हुए, पन्नू तेरा क्या स्वाइगर है, हाँ, वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर सॉन्ग, मैं सुनता रहता हूँ रेडियो, सो दे ऑल डूइंग फैंटास्टिक जॉब। एंड अभी क्या है, थोड़े ऐसा लगता है कि 2 साल 3 साल 4 साल अगर आप टिक गए तो इट्स ए ग्रेट थिंग। बट पहले एक ज़माना था, रफ़ी साहब, किशोर दा, हम लोग तो एडमायर करते थे उनको बचपन से, सिंस माई चाइल्डहुड ओनली वी एडमायर देम, लेजेंडरी सिंगर्स लाइक, आज किशोर दा का बर्थ एनिवर्सरी भी है 4th जुलाई ना टुडे, एंड हिज बर्थ एनिवर्सरी इज ऑल्सो देयर। सो बहुत अच्छे दिन में आपने ये फंक्शन रखे हैं, और ओनली आई कैन से कि देर आर talented singers are there, and they all doing good job, like Arijit Singh and Mika Singh, then Tiwari, some Tiwari, no? Ankit Tiwari, and Monika Kapoor, they all doing good job. And previous to many singers, they have done good job, like Kailash Kher, Sonu Nigam, and कई लोग थे,
So I wanted to ask, during your time, melodies was the general trend, and now it has changed completely. There is a mix of everything. What do you have to say about the current?
Because time has changed now, that time was very different, and today's time is very different. So अभी वो जनरेशन अलग था, ये जनरेशन अलग, बट कुछ भी हो जाए, कितने भी चेंजेस आ जाए, बट मेलोडीज मेलोडी हमेशा टिकेगी, एंड मेलोडी थिंग्स इज गोइंग टू सर्व, मतलब लॉन्ग, हाँ, बिकॉज इफ वी लिसन 50 years back songs, still feeling fresh.
That's true.
Yes.
It's true. The current songs last about 6 months, 1 year. The older songs will last for almost 20 years, 25 years, you'll still listen to it.
He's right.
Yeah.
Mr. Yogi, how do you feel sponsoring this show in London?
But Chair, he has to say nice thing, he doesn't can't say anything else.
What about this show or the previous one?
This one.
Yeah. This one is actually, I'll tell you, let me go back last year, rewind. I did Kumar Sanu, as I say. It was very popular. It was branded our casinos and our company a lot. On the 5th of September, we're doing, you mentioned Kanika Kapoor, Hardeep Kaur. We're doing that show. Again, it's going to brand the younger generation. So that's what we're doing. With this show we're doing, as I said, it's going to target both sides, the young crowd and the older one. Yeah?
Yes.
One of my biggest, what I do is I'm a PR executive at Palm Beach, and branding is very important for me in India. So I'm trying to brand our company into India, Dubai, Delhi, Bangladesh, all over the world. What we're going to get from it is loads of our Asian customers in London, the new members as well, will find out that we're sponsoring it, and they'll come to our establishment afterwards, because both of them are going to be at our clubs after the event.
Palm Beach is already popular with Indian celebrities.
Yes, it is, yeah. We get loads of celebrities coming in regularly there. And one thing is that the Asian community know them very well. My director, who is a musician and a singer, he understands them. That's why he said, let's sponsor this type of events and get the right company. And Stardust have been so blue chip to us. They've been, whatever I want, they always deliver. So that's working out a lot. But the Asians love it, and they come to Palm Beach Casino regularly. This show, actually I've added Maxine's Casino as well, which is another one of our more exclusive casinos. So they're going to be joint sponsorship with us. And it's fabulous.
Good. Very nice.
Any more questions? Yeah?
My question is for Udit ji.
Yes.
So what do you feel about Honey Singh and the entire revolution he's brought to the musical world?
Actually, Honey Singh is also a very good singer. Yes. Because his style is very different. Because always he sang, peppy type of number and rap numbers. Main thing is his style is rap singing, you know. So I think everyone is good on their own way. So he has a style and he is doing good. His songs are popular nowadays. So I feel good. It's not a diplomatic answer, but जो चलता है तो चलता है. Yes, yes.
What do you have to say about the lyrics?
जी.
अच्छा, Mr. Aditya Narayan is in the building. He'll be here any second.
Okay, very nice. He's going to.
Oh, sorry, he has another
He has a
question.
long way to go.
Why did you ask him? He's going to come in a minute.
Because he's young man, na? So he can give you correct answer. I think nowadays, so if you running 4 years, 5 years, that is also like 50 years, you know. Within a 4.
Very polite. It means is that they don't last very long. They don't favor of a couple of years.
Within a short time,
They burn out.
no, within a short time, you getting name, fame, money, everything. So I think it is also a good thing, you know.
How was it during when you started out?
That time, though, my God, it was very, very difficult. Rafi Saab was there, Kishore Da was there, you know. So we can't, at least, मतलब सोच भी नहीं सकते हम लोग. And we admire Rafi Saab, Kishore Da, and जितने भी बड़े singers हैं. Since when I was 5-6 years old boy, and गाँव घर में रेडियो सुना करता था, you know. तो I came Bombay in 1978 and 78 to 88. I have done a struggle 10 years. अपने दोस्तों के यहाँ कई बार रह गए, कई बार पेंगेस्ट में रहे, कई बार बोले यार ये क्या तानपुरा ले लेके तुम गाना गाते हो, चलो यहाँ से. तो हर चीज़ का मजा है ना. तो 10 साल का स्ट्रगल काफ़ी कम नहीं होता है, ना. सो नाउ मतलब मुझे आफ्टर सो मच स्ट्रगल, इफ यू गेटिंग वट एवर नेम, फेम और वट एवर, तो उसका मज़ा आपको उस वक्त बहुत आएगा. ये फैक्ट. जो सक्सेस का मजा है ना, आफ्टर सो मच स्ट्रगल. सपोज यू स्ट्रगल सिंस योर चाइल्डहुड, बट if you have, मैंने जो देखा है, if you have talent and doing hard work, honesty, if you have patience, तो एक टाइम तो ऊपर वाला तो डेफिनेट देता है, ये तय है. क्योंकि ऊपर वाला भी सोचता है कि चलो यार देना ही पड़ेगा इसको. आफ्टर दैट आप डिपेंड ऑन यू के कैसे आप बैलेंस करते हैं, यू नो. अगर उस बैलेंस में आप छा गए तो फिर आप छा गए. Oh, Honey Singh is also a very good singer. No, ये fact, it's a fact. He's a very good singer and rap type of singing. He's famous for rap singing and his songs are really popular. वो क्या कई गाने हैं.
4
बोतल वोडका, काम मेरा रोज, very very popular.
What do you have to say about these lyrics? आपके टाइम के ऐसे
कर दे one songs are also very popular that I don't know much words.
Blue Bunny.
हाँ?
Pani, blue bunny.
Blue Bunny.
Blue Bunny.
आज blue है पानी.
आज पानी मतलब इतना अच्छा गा दिया कि सब जगह पानी पानी है. कैसे खबर करते देखो पानी की भी जरूरत है, पानी नहीं हो तो फिर जिंदगी क्या है.
सर अगर आज आपको हम रैप करने बोले तो आप रैप कर सकते
आता है बिरजू तू आई गवा बिटवा, मेरी माँ के कंगन वापस कर दे रे लाला. बिरजू मेरी माँ के कंगन वापस कर दे तू. आई लव यू, आई लव यू. फिल्म वॉज है ब्रो, पिक्चर नहीं चली बट मैंने ये गाना गाया था ऑल द सुपरस्टार्स लाइक अमिताभ बच्चन जी टू अक्षय कुमार एंड वर्डिंग वाज टू गुड कि मदर इंडिया में बिरजू मेरी माँ के कंगन वापस कर दे, कुछ थॉट्स वाज देयर, सो अच्छा थॉट्स उन्होंने लिया वो अपने गणेश आचार्य जी ने एंड सॉन्ग्स बट पिक्चर चली नहीं, वो अलग बात है। जी जी।
Any more questions? Yeah.
What's your take on item numbers and which one is your favorite if you like?
आइटम नंबर नाउडेज तो जमाना आइटम नंबर का है एंड आइटम नंबर्स तो इतने सुपर हिट हुए जैसे बेबी डॉल, चिटिया कलाइया बे ओ माही and one songs she are popular that Kunika Kapoor's
That is us only.
Baby doll.
baby doll masane di oh baby doll, she got a film there also.
Yeah.
Stardust also.
Stardust तो if you become star तो of course Stardust तो always going to catch and वो that songs are very popular, you know. मुन्नी बदनाम हुई, yes, म्यूजिक बाय ललित पंडित। मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए, देन चिकनी चमेली that श्रेया सन, शीला की जवानी सुनिधि चौहान।
The question was for him.
It's all item songs.
Yeah. What's your
What's your take on
take on?
Do you like your
Which one?
You like item songs.
Yeah, of course, I like item song. जी, of course. हैं? अच्छा, okay. नमस्ते जी, please.
So what's your take on item numbers and
No, देखिए, if today's item numbers are going good, so we have to follow. And item numbers are very very popular. चाहे मुन्नी बदनाम हुई, शीला की जवानी और कोई भी, तो जो चल रहा है वो एक कहावत है, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, लोग बोलते हैं। तो सपोज सॉन्ग्स आर रनिंग तो हम लोग तो डेफिनेट गाएंगे एंड हम लोगों को बहुत पसंद है रियली, बिकॉज सुपर डुपर हिट फिल्में हैं, जितने भी आइटम्स नंबर्स हैं इट्स सुपर हिट ऑल्सो एंड फिल्म ऑल्सो बिकम सुपर डुपर हिट, सो हम लोग को मानना तो चाहिए। जी सर।
yeah.
My question is for Mr. Yogi.
योगी जी।
Frequent your casino.
Sorry, say that.
Do Bollywood celebs frequent your casino? And can you share
Do
some
they frequent your casino, Bollywood celebs?
He wants the names
Which
of
are the
Bollywood
people
celebrities
which are the
who frequent
Bollywood
your
celebs?
the names.
Yeah, it's very very good. Yeah,
These
they
are
do.
the difficult questions that we
Yeah.
spoke about. Yeah.
Basically, what it is I can't name anybody because of casino is data protection, but we do get Bollywood celebrities walking in regularly. We've got several casinos in London, and one of our other casinos, Colony, is very popular for the Bollywoods. Ours is more volume, so we get a lot of Asian clientele coming and one or two Bollywoods walking. If I say to you this year I had about 5 of them walking,
Yogi
Yes.
wants the names.
I can't give names.
Shall I give it to them?
You can, yeah.
Saif walked in. Am I right? Saif Ali Khan walked in. I heard.
Yeah, you heard, yeah.
Is
He's,
that true?
You can guess.
Akshay
Okay,
Kumar walked
everyone,
in.
welcome Mr. Aditya Narayan.
Yogi.
Now we can do the opening.
You come.
Yeah,
Let's do the unveiling.
let's do the unveiling now.
After that, I will come little bit this side.
Sir, sir.
Hold this. Hold this up.
So, First thoughts on the cover, please.
I have to say something.
Yeah, the first thoughts on the cover.
Cover, na?
Cover.
Wow. एक ही बात कहूँगा कि जिंदगी में पहली बार फर्स्ट कवर पे इतना खूबसूरत फोटो डाले हैं आदित्य जी का। थैंक यू सो मच नारायण साहब एंड योगी साहब एंड स्टारडस्ट एंड सोसाइटी। थैंक यू सो मच।
आदित्य,
मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि पापा बहुत हैंडसम लग रहे हैं कवर में।
What about you?
मैं तो ठीक ही हूँ, but I have some time to catch up now. Looking smashing. I wish at his age, at 44, I made him happy. I also look like this. No, it's great. And
34.
34 and Nari Hira Sahab only 40.
He's sweet 16. No, it's looking great and it feels great. Yeah, it's my privilege and honor to be on the cover of Society along with my father, who is obviously someone that I look up to a lot, and everyone does. I mean, he's an icon for the entire nation, and to be featured alongside him is a great honor. So thank you.
now that Aditya is here, any questions?
Yes.
For,
Yeah, sorry I'm late. Yeah, I'm very sorry. Yes, extremely sorry. I don't want to blame it on the traffic because we all get traffic.
Palm Beach Casino.
Sorry, you were answering something.
I was answering.
Oh, sorry. Yes, Mr.
Finishing off with the stars of Walk into the Palm Beach Casino, which he hasn't told me, but
Yeah.
I know
Yeah.
through our Stardust contacts.
Okay.
Saif Ali Khan, you only got to say yes or no.
Very difficult.
Yes or no.
So Saif Ali Khan was allegedly spotted in Palm Beach Casino.
It probably was there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Bobby Deol.
Probably again.
We have too many lookalikes, Mr.
Yeah, there is,
I
yeah.
have a lot of spies around. You can't get away.
I know,
Akshay
I
Kumar.
Yeah, there are.
Akshay Kumar,
Akshay
Saif
Kumar.
Ali Khan, Bobby
Suzy.
Deol.
Alright, I'll spare you now. That'll be enough. The rest I'll keep for next time.
Yeah, questions?
So Aditya, you tweeted about the event.
Yes, about one of the shows as of now.
Very
Yes.
excited.
Oh, extremely, yes. We're going to, I think we are performing, even my father's performing there after a while.
10 years.
10 years, yeah.
Last
10 years? What
We
do you
have
say?
been there 2005.
Correct,
You
2005.
remember? At Albert Hall.
So that was the time when we had gone last, and then that's when I decided that I'm going to stay back here for a year and study music. And I did study music in London for a year, and then I came back, and then we never have managed to go to the UK. I mean, we've traveled everywhere extensively all around the world. My father, obviously, and me also. But the UK hasn't happened, and now it has. And now that it's happening on such a great scale and such a big level. And since we are going there after so long, and we have so many fans there, obviously, and me also here and there. So we're going to put up a great show. And in fact, October is like the start time for season time, jo bolte hain show industry mein. So all the rehearsals and all are going to be happening. In a way, this will be like our first show abroad together with this new setup that we have, and our bands are merging, and very kind of him obviously to let some of my band members also accommodate them in his show. And this is the first time he's actually going to listen to someone before doing the show, which is me. So we plan. He does whatever he wants on stage. JD knows. And obviously people love him. He does whatever, and people are like, great. But this time, you know, it's gonna be a great musical evening, obviously. And the best part is that you have both generations, you know. So you know, I wouldn't say older generation. I would say young at heart and the young generation performing on stage together. So really looking forward to it. Really excited. And thank you to Stardust and Maga Publications for bringing forth this concept of father and son. And we're going to do great. And really looking forward. And now I'll give the mic to Dad also to say
No,
something.
I already talked since 2 hours.
Achha, okay. My birthday is in 2 days.
Yes. What are your plans for that day?
I know, I'll finally become an adult.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. I'm finally turning into an adult.
6th is, and 6th is day after tomorrow only.
Yeah.
His birthday.
Yeah, but he's turning it, he's only 18.
Yeah, I'm 17 right now. I'm turning 18. No, you don't believe it?
They don't know what to say.
They're just like stunned. No. I don't know, yeah. I guess थोड़ा वो it's my birthday का भूत थोड़ा उतर जाता है with age. I'm pretty neutral about it now. And
How
in
old
fact,
are you then?
I'll
Are
be
you
turning
18?
I'll be turning 28. So my father started looking for a girl from आपको पता है कि नहीं? इन्होंने मुझे बोला नहीं है. ये चुपचाप अभी लड़कियां ढूंढने लगे हैं मेरे लिए. So that's a bit of a worry, but no problem. I'll let him have his fun. And it feels great. There's 28 is a big year. Yeah? It's like late 20s now. You know, my friends keep telling me you're a big.
I'm also 28.
Thank you so much. No, it feels great. Honestly, time flies. Obviously, everyone says that. Lekin, I've been very fortunate to have experienced and learned so much at still, which is a young age only, and to have been blessed with so many opportunities and so much work along with my learning process. Because generally people start thinking about their lives in their mid-20s. कि अब मैं क्या करूँगा? What will I pursue seriously? But I've already experienced so much. I wouldn't
You've
say.
been in the industry right from the age of 7, 8 or something. Your father was.
I sang my first song when I was 5 years old, so only 23 years. So yeah, it's been a great learning phase, and yeah, looking forward to the next 28 years.
Next question. Yeah.
After playback in Gambia, what's next?
I've just signed with T-Series as an artist, and my first album will hopefully release on his landmark birthday. I won't say what landmark year it is.
1st December.
1st December. Yeah.
My birthday is 1st December.
Landmark in the sense?
It's a landmark now. Wikipedia कर लो आप.
मतलब जहाँ आदित्य meant to say कि जहाँ मदर फादर है वो लैंड है.
और वहाँ पे मैं मार्क कर रहा हूँ. Very bad PJ. No, so yeah, that's happening, and my first single just released last month. It's called Tu Hi Pyar Hai. Did very well, and my second single is releasing on my birthday. It's called Tera SG Paun, and I think we have September, October, November. So we have 3 more singles lined up in the next 3 months. So that's what's happening, and yeah, all of them have music videos. It's a great album. Right now it's called Mohabbat, tentatively titled. Let's see. And it's got 8 beautiful love songs, and I've worked really hard. Thank you. On the album since the past year actually, and you must be knowing that I have my whole band together. So all the songs are written, composed by either my bandmates or me. I myself have composed 3 of them and written 3 of them, and it's just me and my band and a couple of my friends who are basically part of the band for me. Chirantani you must be knowing, and half of the songs are written by Manoj, and yeah, in fact, it's the first time that I've really enjoyed doing something. It's the first time that I've sat down and been like, okay, what do I want to give to my audience? How do I want, I mean, in what way do I create art and music and videos for people to see me and to enjoy it? So it's been a very, very satisfying experience. It's almost at the end. All the mixes are happening at Yashraj now. And yeah, I'm eagerly waiting to see what everyone else's response is. And then obviously there's a couple of Bollywood songs, but today it's different, yeah. You know, his time, it was different. Now it's like one song is sung by 10 singers. And then when the song is out, then you're like, acha, mera version rakha hai. So, you know, whenever I see my song on TV, I'll surely call you. So that's happening.
Next question.
He's talented boy and good singer also, good actor also, and good composer also.
Available for 19999.
But he has to go long way. एक ही चीज आप लोगों की तरफ से बताइएगा कि अमिताभ बच्चन जी की तरह टाइम पे आए हैं.
Any questions?
Thank you for saying this in
Why don't you
public.
sing for us?
What? Of course I'll sing for you. Yeah. Then I'm forgiven. Great.
It's all right. You can take. अच्छा.
क्या गाएं? आपका गाना गाता हूँ.
Nice song.
अकेले हम, अकेले तुम, जो हम तुम संग हैं तो फिर क्या हम. तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान.
Oh, I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम, तू शैतान.
But you love me, Daddy.
But
But
love
you love
me, daddy.
That was him singing a song for you and me
Why
accompanying.
don't you do a solo for us?
Yes, definitely. Ramleela? Yeah.
Yes,
sure.
of course.
एक मिनट आपका माइक.
ये लीजिए ना.
Check.
Yeah,
much better.
this is yours only.
Oh. राम जी की चाल देखो, आंखों की मजाल देखो, करे ये धमाल देखो, अरे दिल को तुम संभाल देखो, अरे चाल देखो ढाल देखो, रगों में उबाल देखो. ओ देखो 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 तड़ 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 Most expensive chorus singer in the history of cinema. Only gives exclusive chorus for me. Thank you.
Thank you for lovely compliment.
Ready, 2 more questions. Yeah.
Only two,
Yeah,
because my questions are already over.
my relationship status. Yeah, thank God someone asked me about this. I'm waiting to say this. You know, it has now been almost 3 years that I've been single. And I'll tell you the reasons for it also. I don't know if you want to print it or show it. But the thing is that I've realized. No. I've realized that whatever you have to do in life, no, you have to do yourself. No one's going to do it for you. No one's going to make your dreams come true for you unless you're an extremely hot woman. No offense.
Or guy.
Or guy. But that is also 50-50. But no, jokes apart, I think that what I've realized is that instead of spending money on other things, I won't say futile things or people, I would say that I'd rather invest in making my dreams come true, you know. And what I've realized is that if your dreams are very big, you have to make big sacrifices also. So one of these sacrifices has been not having a steady girlfriend or not being in a steady relationship, and also not stepping out into clubs literally every week and booking tables for obscene figures, 50,000, 80,000. And you know what? It has actually helped. In the last 3 years, I have saved so much money, and I have. No, and the best part is that I'm not saying this in context to someone, so we can actually have a laugh about it. But the fact is that I actually have, and then I've used that money and made my dreams bigger and executed them, and I've seen the results, and now I don't think I want a girlfriend because sorry. So yeah, so it has given me immense satisfaction what I have done, and I think that for the next couple of years at least, this is going to be the format. So and plus also the thing is that I am also very in a phase right now where I can't think of anything apart from this what I'm creating at the moment. There are days where I don't even meet my parents, and they're like, in the same house. Where are you? I'm just at the studio working, making music, thinking of ideas to execute in terms of videos. So I'm so self-consumed that it wouldn't be right for me to be in a relationship with someone. It would just be messy. I wouldn't have time for them, and then they would be like complaining, and I'd be like, "Arey, I'm just doing my job." And it was just, I've seen the, मैंने screenplay देख लिया, and it doesn't play out very well. So I'm very happy with my friends, and the good thing is I'm a very good friend. So my friends and I, we enjoy, we go out and we take vacations.
But is it true, Udit, are you looking for a girl for him?
I'm telling you.
What kind of girl are you looking for?
Actually,
Rich girl. I'm telling he comes home and he comes to mom and he's like, "Itne crore ki malkin hai." I know everything. We stay under the same roof, so he thinks he's very smart. He's like being sly, just opens the door.
No, it's not true. No, but sometimes I feel कि यार शादी करो तो जरा बड़े घर में ही करो.
I completely understand his concern because I'm his only son, and he wants nothing but the best for me. That's very sweet of him, and that's why I haven't stopped him also. Even though 30 years ago he ran away with a woman and got married to her, which is my mother, and had a love marriage, but he expects me to be having an arranged marriage. How convenient.
And he has fan following, of course, since his childhood only, and now though he's become a popular anchor also, and Ram Leela's songs are so popular, so there are so many beautiful girls are there.
But are you looking for rich girl? Yes or no?
No, not rich girl. Actually, ये तो एक मजाक है, लेकिन basically my surname is Jha, तो मैंने बोला कि कोई झा बढ़िया लड़की ले रहा.
So basically he's looking for, now he's just started and I've caught him, so he's just like, okay, now let's look in our community. No, but it's very sweet of him. It's very sweet that way, and he'll always take my consent, and he'll never force anything on me. So most welcome to Luke. Rich, beautiful, short, tall, go for it. I'm with you.
We have our last question.
Looks like you've been working out. What's your fitness secret?
My fitness secret is wake up and go to the gym every day and not eat rubbish, home food. Over the last couple of years, I've realized how bad outside food is, how bad a couple of things like I shouldn't say this, but I don't know if I'll get an ad later for this, but aerated drinks are terrible, and just not being active, especially in a city like Mumbai, is actually very, very bad. You need at least some form of physical exercise, everybody, all of us, to be fit. And when you travel abroad, you realize how less our physical activity. Because outside of India, everyone's walking, everyone's cycling. We're doing none of it. So we need to be fit. We need to, because of the pollution, because of so much stress. I think that even driving a car and getting to work is a stress in our city. So to fight all of these things, we need to be fit mentally, physically. So I do a lot of yoga, I do a lot of exercise, and I diet very well. I'm getting him into shape. Look, nice jawline he's got now. Improving.
Yes.
And now he's started enjoying it himself. So he's got a trainer, and then he goes for jogs. So I think it's very important to be fit, to feel fit, and to spread that this lifestyle of fitness because what a lot of people do is that they get fit and then they don't kind of let it translate into their families, which is in fact more important because they are at an age where they need to be very physically fit and active and eat well because the body becomes sensitive. So that way I'm very happy that I'm able to help out my parents in that way, and they can see the results now themselves. So hopefully they will also now say to their brothers and sisters and family members, and it'll just spread. But yeah, it's very important to be fit. Life is much better. I'm happier, I'm healthier, I sleep well, I eat well, I think well. So which wasn't the case 4-5 years ago when I wasn't working. I was always sick, always had sinus problems. So yeah, it helps a lot. And obviously you look great, so it makes a very good first impression. And yeah, and who doesn't like a fit person? No? What about you? No answer.
He's correct.
What about you?
He's right, because health is wealth. If health is not good, so we can't enjoy anything,
No, and I see people who are in and around his age, and they've started looking like grandfathers. So I'm so happy that
What is this reference to his age?
Listen, you have to understand that I am, and no, but what I'm trying to say is that for how old he is, like, I wish I look like this. Seriously, मैं रोज रात को सोता हूँ. I'm like, भाई जब मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच जाऊँगा, जब मेरी हाफ सेंचुरी क्रॉस हो जाएगी, please make me look like my father. And I like, मुझे मूंछ भी नहीं आती है actually. तो मैं उसके लिए रुका हुआ हूँ.
बहुत अच्छा.
क्या?
नहीं ये he's joking.
His
his mustache is already there. आपने काट लिया है.
नहीं. So yeah, I just admire him for how he is at after all these years, because he's literally the same person I've seen since 2 decades now. He's not changed a bit. Lifestyle looks the same, works the same, sounds the same. Very inspiring.
After so much problems.
Of course.
After so much problems, so many problems. इतने सारे problems के बाद भी at least चल रहे हैं. It's a big thing,
On that note, we'll end today's conference, and all the best for your conference, for your concert in London.
Thank you so
All
much.
the best for you to be hosting them. Yeah.
Really looking forward to it.
We'll
yes.
throw it open for the pictures.
That background.
And thank you for coming.
There's the camera. Hello.
Aditya, you're solo. Solo. Aditya,
Yeah, photo model.
thank you so much.
एक मेरा और पापा का लो.
आप जाओ.
आए. ऐसे लीजिए. ऐसे करें.
चलो क्या? सही है.
I've told Aditya to meet this event.
You haven't replied to any of us.
No, he said that he said he didn't know the details. I said now you put
2 मिनट. एक मिनट लाइन.
Yeah, I'll tell him to tag you and
हेलो.
एक हमारे मेरे टीवी
Yeah,
के
please,
साथ
yes, yes.
इधर
Yeah, here only. Yeah.
मेरा सोसाइटी में
Yeah, fantastic societies.